Hi everyone, Miss Z here. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking for ways to engage your students in remote learning, you might want to consider making Animoji read aloud or lesson videos. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make one on an iPhone or an iPad.
To get started, open the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad, then proceed to write a new message. Type in your own phone number as the recipient. Underneath the long box for typing messages, you will see different icons. Tap on the Animoji icon. It's the one that shows a monkey memoji. If you want to create a face that looks like yourself, tap the plus sign and create a new memoji. After that, you should be able to record your clips. Tap the recording button on the bottom right corner and start recording. After recording, you can replay the clip to see if you like it.
Hi everyone. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to solve equations with properties of equality.
Then send the clip to yourself by tapping the up arrow button. Now you will receive an iMessage with the clip. To save the video clip, tap on the clip and tap the share symbol on the bottom left corner. Tap Save Video. Now you should see the Animoji clip in your Photos app. This method allows you to record Animoji clips that are at most 30 seconds. If you want to record longer Animoji without stopping, there is an alternative way. Open the Messages app again and tap the camera icon on the left side. Change the camera view to front camera, then tap the Animoji icon again. Choose the memoji you have created. Now you should see that the memoji covers your face but shows your body. Tap the round button to start recording.
Hi everyone. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to solve equations by using the properties of equality.
With this method, you can record an Animoji video longer than 30 seconds. You can also show body language to grab your audience attention. The next part of this tutorial is to show you how to add an Animoji clip to another video or a background image. Open the iMovie app. Tap the plus sign and select Movie. Choose the background image from your photos collection and tap Create Movie at the bottom. To make the image fit the whole video, select the video by tapping the long strip, then pinch the image on top with 2 fingers to reposition it. Next, I want to add my Animoji video. Tap the plus sign on the left and select the Animoji video. Tap the 3 dot symbol and select Picture in Picture. This will make your Animoji stays on top of your background image. If you don't follow this step, your Animoji video won't overlap with the background image and will be added in front of the image clip instead. My Animoji video is about 12 seconds, but the background image is only set at 7.5 seconds. So I will need to tap on my background image and duplicate it. I then slide the right side of the second part to shorten this whole video. After that, you can select your Animoji clip to reposition and resize it. Notice how the background image zooms in as I play the video. To turn this effect off, just disable Ken Burns. In iMovie, you can split and trim a clip. You can also insert videos as the background and put your Animoji on top of it. I use Canva to download pre-made cartoons and videos. Canva is a graphic design platform that provides millions of photos, videos, and clip arts. You can apply for their education account to use all these resources for free. Check out my tutorial if you're interested in applying for a Canva for Education account. The tutorial link is shared in the video description below. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time!